Hello family, it's AjiseGraphik here and welcome us to another session of tutorial. First, if you are new to this YouTube channel, I would like to smash the subscribe button, like and share. Okay, so right about now, I enhanced this image using Adobe Lightroom. Yeah, in the previous video I taught us how to design this flyer. Yes, this birthday artwork, how I walked us through the creative process of designing it and also using an external app to add lens flare. So if you have not watched it, go catch it. I'm going to drop the link in the description. Okay, so now I'm going to walk us through the process of enhancing this design. So if you are new to this YouTube channel, kindly smash the subscribe button. Thank you. Now let's work on your designs or images. There's no specific rule that says you should do it like this. What you have to do, you just have to be creative about it. One thing you should bear in mind is that you should know what each tool is used for. That way you can manipulate or do whatever you want anytime. So what I'm just going to be doing is just going to be simple. I can decide to do a lot of things. Now for this image, what I'm going to do is that if you want to retain the colors of some particular text, for example, the enhancement is going to affect the text. So what you can do is come to your max tool here and tap on your brush, then delete it. Tap on this, tap on your brush, reduce the brush size. Now come here, carefully. Sorry, so let me delete it and start all over. Just take your time, just do this. Just take your time and just do this. Okay, I think that was all. Then we come to this one to do the same thing. I'm not bothered about the edges that is being okay. Just do this. So just do this carefully. Okay, so after getting this done, come to your eraser to erase. You can see I'm erasing those parts so that you won't go through the stress. I'm just showing you how to max out something. So just come here too. Just clean out this place. So now what you can do, if so, come to this inverse arrow sign here, then work on. You're saying that the effects you are applying, work on only the you should work on the design, the rest of the design, not the. So come to your lights. You can now do your adjustments. You can see, I'm coming. Okay, so you can now come to your add your contrast. You can increase your lights and highlights. It's depending on you now. But in this kind of situation, don't reduce your highlights. You can increase your shadows if necessary. No, I'm not increasing my shadows. What I'm just going to do is but you can increase the shadows a bit. They get any highlights. No. So what I'm just going to do here is just to come to my color, then just so some features will be taken away, yes, when you use the max option, but don't worry. So just come to your effects, come to your texture, increase the texture a bit, then come to your clarity, work on your clarity. You can see it's becoming sharper. Then go to your details and just increase the sharpness. Now after getting this done, you can see that your yellow is still retained. You get the area you highlighted is still retained properly. You can exit the max. So now just tap on your check mark. Now what you can do, you can now enhance. Look at the before, see the after. Now you can now come back to your effect and just give it some little enhancement again. If you feel that it's not enough, you still want it to be sharp, you get the idea. You can now come to your dip and increase the sharpening a bit. Let's work with you can see how sharp this is, so you can increase the detailing. Let's work with 50. You can see how sharp it is. Are you seeing the progression? So that's just easy how to the easy way on how to work on images, work on your enhancements properly. You can now increase the radius. So radius is how many parts, how do you want the sharpness to happen on your design. So that's it. You can see the before. You can see the before. Can you see how it popped up? Can you see it? For you, can you see the clarity it's giving you? Can you see this? So that's what, instead of maybe adding grace to your design,